Before Hamilton became part of the Swatch Group and a Swiss brand, it was an American watchmaker with a strong military heritage. One of their most famous creations came in the 1970s, a chronograph made for the British Royal Air Force, nicknamed the Fab Four for its distinctive asymmetrical case. Fast forward to today, and Hamilton has revived this design in the Khaki Aviation Pilot Pioneer mechanical chronograph, now with a stunning new blue sunray dial. The stainless steel case measures 40 millimeters across and 14.3 millimeters in height, nearly identical to the 1970s original, but just 1 millimeter larger. The asymmetrical profile still protects the crown and pushers, while polished accents contrast nicely with the brushed surfaces. A box-shaped sapphire crystal adds vintage distortion, but with modern scratch resistance and anti-reflective coatings. Around back, you get a solid case back and an upgraded 100 meters of water resistance. The new blue dial modernizes the look without straying from its roots. You still get bold Arabic numerals, oversized 12 and 6 markers, and bright white grade X1 superluminova for night visibility. The bi-compact's layout features a 30-minute counter at 3 o'clock and small seconds at 9, just like the RAF original. Inside beats the hand-wound caliber H51 Psi, based on the ETA 7753. It's a no-date cam lever chronograph with 27 joules, a silicon balance spring for anti-magnetism, and a solid 60-hour power reserve. True to vintage spirit, it's manual wind, a ritual collector's love. You can pick it up on a brown leather strap for 1,995 Swiss francs or a steel mesh bracelet for 2,075 Swiss francs. For a faithful re-edition with modern upgrades and a striking new dial, the Hamilton Khaki Aviation Pilot Pioneer chronograph in blue is a standout in 2025. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more mechanical watch stories every week.